Just a few yards away, more than a dozen other state-of-the-art robots that are expected to completely change the nature of surveillance and warfare on the water. Navy team known as Task Force 59 has created a testbed for some of the latest and greatest commercially made marine drones. The drones here aren't armed. For now, they're loaded with high-tech radios, cameras, radar, and all kinds of other sensors to help expand the Navy's eyes and ears in the ocean.
There are more than a dozen unmanned platforms being tested by the Navy as part of an effort to develop the world's first big unmanned fleet of these boats. So this is the Triton, and it is both a surface vessel and an underwater vessel.
We saw what's hailed as the only vehicle that can sail on the surface and also operate in submarine mode. We also saw autonomous speedboats, like this Interceptor, which can travel more than 80 miles per hour, and small solar-powered vessels capable of collecting information on the water for months at a time, according to the companies that make them. There was also this larger boat, which can deploy smaller robots to detect and neutralize mines and submarines.
All right, so on some of these boats, you see a big green box, and that box actually houses an aerial drone. The Navy's goal is to use these drones, sort of stack these drones together so that they can extend the Navy's eyes and ears out in the ocean farther and farther.
This so-called drone in a box was tested on top of a few different drone boats. This vertical launch drone took off and landed for the first time in windy conditions from the small deck of a Coast Guard ship. We've also seen claims of armed unmanned vessels operating in Ukraine. In October, Russia said Ukrainian drone boats attacked its warships on the Black Sea.